Okay, so let us start with our first question of mode. As you can see that the data, okay, the data has been provided to you and the data is not arranged properly. Okay, so we have to first arrange the data in ascending order. Okay, so normally we arrange the data in ascending order. Okay, following the progression, because if we have to imply here some other mathematical progressional model, okay, we can have a look properly. So the data should be arranged in the ascending order only. Okay, so there is some mathematical explanation behind that. Let's not go into it. So when the data has been arranged in the ascending order, okay, so we get the value as 4, 7, 7, 7. After that, we have 9, 9, and after that, we have 10. After that, we have 12, and then 15. So the given data is arranged in the ascending order. So after we arrange the data, okay, what we will do? We will first observe here. Okay, we will do the inspection. Okay, that's your observation. Okay, just looking at the data, we have to find out that what can be the mode in this provided data. So what is mode actually? Mode is something, okay, mode is something which has got the maximum number of frequency. Mode is any value which has the maximum number of frequency. uh, if we just recollect what was mean, so mean was actually the average, okay, sum total of all the observations divided by number of observations. Okay, that was your arithmetic mean. And median, what was median? Median was something which divides the data into two equal halves, almost equal halves. Okay, but mode is something which has the maximum frequency. Okay, mode is the value that has been provided in the data which has got the maximum number of frequency. That is called mode or modal value. Okay, it is same. So here, as you can see in question number 1, that number 7, okay, that the occurrence of this number 7, this value 7 is maximum, which is 3 times. Okay, 9 is also appearing for 2 times. Okay, 9 is appearing for 2 times, 10 for 1 time, 12 for 1 time, 15 for 1 time, and 4 for 1 time. But this 7 is occurring for 3 times. So we can say finally that 7 is the mode here. Okay, now similarly in question number 2, this question number 2 is quite similar to question number 1, but the data that has been provided, okay, is first arranged in the ascending order. Okay, it was first arranged in the ascending order, and then it was converted into a frequency distribution. Converting the data into the frequency distribution is very simple. Okay, just write the data like you can see here, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, after that we will write 10. Okay, after that we will write 12, 13, 17, 18, 21, and 27. Okay, now that's your value given. Okay, so in the frequency column, what we will write is the number of occurrence. Okay, so 2 is appearing for 1 time. Okay, 4 for 1 time, 6 for 1 time, 8 for 1 time, and 10. As you can see here, it is appearing for 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Okay, so the appearance of 10 is 4 times here. Okay, and this 12 for 1 time, 13, 17, 18, 21, and 27, all they are appearing for 1 time each. Okay, so this is how you will uh, convert this data. Okay, convert this particular data into a frequency distribution. Okay, this is how you will do it. And after, again, following the same thing, that is, you will do the inspection or observation. You can see here that number 4, okay, this is the maximum number. Okay, 4 is the maximum number of frequency here, and uh, this frequency belongs to number 10. Hence 10 is your mode. Okay, if there is any question, ask me at the end of the uh, class. Okay, so now let us move on to question number 3. Now in question number 3, we can see here that again this question number 3. Okay, already the frequency distribution has been provided to you. Okay, in question number 3, that frequency distribution table has been already provided to you. So from that particular frequency distribution table, you will see, okay, have a look at the question. Okay, I didn't write the question out here. Okay, now if you can have a look at the question, okay, that value has been provided, okay, and the frequency. So you can see here that in question number 3, the maximum number of frequency is 75. Okay, 5, 29, 75, 31, 10, 10, 10, 3, and 2. So the maximum frequency is 75, and that frequency 75 belongs to which value? That value is 145. So from this inspection method, we can see that the frequency of 145 is the highest, that is 75. Hence, the mode or the modal value of the given data is 145. Okay, this is how you will do it. And question number 4 also, it is just like question number 3. Okay, so in question number 4, just have a look at the number of frequency. Okay, that is the number of workers. Okay, so just have a look at this. Oh, this question number 4, it should be by the grouping method. So this data is quite similar to question number 5. Sorry, by grouping method. Okay, so question number 4 is similar to question number 5 by the grouping method. So now we will see what is grouping method. Okay, grouping method is quite tricky one. So we have to have a look at this. Okay, so this is your question number 5. Now question number 4, that question number 4 is similar to question number 5. Okay, so now let us see question number 5. So if we can solve this question number 5, it will be easy for you to understand question number 4 also. Okay, you can do on your own. So but before that, let me take you to this page number. Just if you have the book with you, please open page number 323. Okay, out there grouping method has been discussed. Okay, page number, it may vary from your book. Okay, so out there you can see this grouping method. Okay, so under this grouping method we will prepare two items. Okay, and they are grouping table and this analysis table. Okay, so under this grouping method we have to follow this two things. Okay, we have to prepare these two things, that is grouping table and the analysis table. So grouping table is the main thing because we prepare this analysis table from the grouping table only. Okay, so as you can see here, we have column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so this column 1 is the normal frequency. Okay, and this column number 2 is the summation of, okay, or sum of uh, first and second frequency. Okay, and this column number 3, it is actually the summation of or sum of second and third frequency. Okay, and this column number 4 is the summation of first, okay, second and third frequency. Okay, and this column number 5 is the summation of second, third, and fourth. Okay, second, third, and fourth, whereas this column number 6 is the summation of third, fourth, and fifth. Okay, so let me just write this for you. You should know this. Okay, you have to learn this particular thing that has been mentioned. Okay, and it is a part of our technique. So let me just open this. Okay, so column 1, column 1 is the normal frequency. Okay, column 1 is normal frequency. Okay, now column number 2, this column number 2 is sum of first and second frequency. Okay, now this column 3, this column number 3 is sum of second and third frequency. Okay, now we have column number 4. This column number 4 is the sum of first, second, and third frequency. Okay, this column 5 equals sum of second, third, and fourth frequency, whereas this column, last column, that is column number 6, equals to sum of third, fourth, and fifth frequency. Okay, so you should know this. Okay, you have to know this particular thing. Okay, when preparing this grouping table. So keep this in mind. Okay, it is already mentioned in the book. Okay, so if you want to write in a copy, then you can write this way. Okay, the way which you feel comfortable. So let us prepare this grouping table. Now in this grouping table, as you can see here, that this is your value or the size, okay, that has been provided. Okay, so this is your actually x. Okay, so now this is your f, that is frequency. So this is the frequency. Okay, that has been already provided. Have a look at question number 5. So as you can see here, these frequencies are marked with yellow color. Okay, why it has been marked with yellow color? Because to show the highest number of frequency out here. Okay, so as you can see here in this normal frequency, which is the highest number of frequency? 63. Okay, 63 is the highest number of frequency, right? So that has been marked. Okay, you can normally circle this frequency, okay, with pencil, and in column number 2, what we have to do is that we have to find the sum of this first and second frequency. Okay, so you will start from here. This is first, second, okay, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. So this way the frequency it goes on. Okay, so in the second column we have to find the sum total of first and second frequency. Okay, and in the third column we will find the total of second and third. Okay, and in the fourth column we will find the sum total of first, second, and third. Okay, and in the fifth column, we will find the sum total of second, third, and fourth. Okay, and in the sixth column we will find the sum total of first, second, and third. Okay, and in the seventh column we will find the sum total of second, third, and fourth. Okay, and in the eighth column we will find the sum total of first, second, and third. Okay, and in the sixth column we will find the sum total of third, fourth, and fifth. So this should be noted down. Okay, you have to learn this. So as you can see here, this 48 plus 52, it will give you 100. Okay, this is the first and second. Okay, and again this one, it should be in a group. Okay, you will start from here. Okay, you will make a pair of this. Okay, 48 plus 52. Okay, let me just use a color. This is not a this is not the one. Okay, so anyway, I wanted this to be filled. I don't know how to do that. Anyway, so this is your 48 plus 52. Okay, for the first one. After this, we will make the pair of 56 and 60. Okay, it will give you 116. Okay, 63 plus 57, that is the next pair, it will give you 120. The next pair, 55 and 50. Okay, it will give you 105. The next pair, 52 plus 41, it will give you 93. Okay, the next pair is 57 plus 62, it will give you 119. Okay, the next pair is 52 plus 48, it will give you 100. Okay, so what about 40? Because there is no other number to be combined with this 40, so we will leave this 40. Okay, because it is single. Okay, so it cannot be paired with another number. Okay, so we will just leave it. Okay, so we have prepared this second column also. Now let us move on to third column. And in the third column we have to have the sum total of second and third. Okay, so we will start with this 52 plus 56, it will give you 108. Okay, now we will move on to fourth and fifth. Okay, now this will be 123. Okay, now sixth and seventh, 112. Okay, eighth and ninth, it will give you 102. Okay, 10th and 11th, it will give you 98. Okay, 12 and then this 13. Okay, it will give you 114. Okay, and ultimately we will come to this 14 and 15th frequency, it will give you 88. Okay, so this way you will prepare the third column. Okay, and for the fourth column you will do the sum total of three frequencies. Okay, it should be in a group of three. Okay, so first, second, and third, 156. Fourth, fifth, and sixth, 180. Okay, seventh, eighth, and ninth, it will give you 157. Okay, 10th, 11th, and 12th, 160. Okay, 13, 14, and 15, it will give you 140. Okay, so this way we will prepare this the fourth column. Okay, now in the fifth column, what we will do is that we will do the sum total of second, third, and fourth. So this second, third, and fourth, it will give you 168. Okay, sixth, seventh, and eighth. Okay, 175. Ninth, 10th, and 11th, 143. Okay, 12, 13, and 14. Okay, it should be 171. Now what to do with this 48 and 40? 48 and 40, it will be left out. Okay, because in the fifth column there should be the pair of three frequencies. Okay, so we will leave these. Okay, if no pair has been formed, we will just leave that frequency as it is. Okay, so in the last column, column number 6, we will do the sum total of third, fourth, and fifth. Okay, first, second, third. Okay, so we'll start from here. Third, fourth, and fifth, it will be 179. Okay, sixth, seventh, eighth, it will be 162. Okay, ninth, 10th, and 11th, it will be 150. Okay, so what was this? 12, 13, and 14, it will be 162. So this way we will prepare our 6 columns. Okay, so this column number 1 is a normal frequency, you know that. Okay, so the main task starts from here, this second, third, fourth, and second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth column. Okay, So as you can see here, in each column, okay, be it column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, you will just highlight, okay, you will just circle the frequencies which are highest. Okay, in column number 1, we have 63. In column number 2, we have 120. In column 3, we have 123. In column number 4, we have 180. Okay, in column number 5, we have 175. And in column number 6, we have 179. Okay, so this is your grouping table. Okay, now let us go to analysis table. Okay, so this analysis table has been prepared using this grouping table only. Okay, so let me just minimize this for a bit so that we can have a look at this analysis table as well as the grouping table. So okay, let us minimize a bit more. Okay, so as you can see here, okay, you have to put all the data, okay, that is your x or the value that has been provided to you, okay, or the size, okay, value or size or the class, whatever has been provided to you. Okay, so after which we will write the column number, okay, and then the total. Okay, so now you can see here in column number 1, okay, in column number 1 we can see that which value has the maximum number of frequency. 63. 63 is the highest frequency, right? So this is for which value? Value number 9. So we will do the tick here. Okay, and in column number 2 we have the frequency for both these items, 63 and 57. Okay, 63 and 57. Now 63 and 57, it belongs to value 9 and 10. So in column number 2 we will do the tick here for 9 and 10. Okay, and in the third column we can see that this frequency 123 is the combination of 60 and 63. Now you can see here 60 and 63 belongs to the value 8 and 9. Okay, so in column number 3 what we will do here is the tick mark in question number, sorry, this value 8 and 9. Okay, and in the fourth column we have the maximum number of frequency, which is 180 for 60, 63 and 57. So this 60, 63 and 57 belongs to 8, 9 and 10. Okay, so now in column number 4 what we will do is that we will do the tick for 8, 9 and 10. Okay, now in the fifth column we can see here that 175 is the maximum frequency. Okay, the compound frequency. So it is the combination of 63, 57 and 55. So 63, 57 and 55, right? So these are for 9, 10 and 11. So in column number 5 we will do the tick mark for 9, 10 and 11. Okay, and the last column, that is column number 6, we have the maximum frequency for 56, 60 and 63. So this 56, 60 and 63, 7, 8, 9. For 7, 8 and 9 we will do the tick here. Okay, so after which we will do the total. Okay, for 5 we have nothing, for 6 we have nothing. Okay, it's 0. Okay, just give the dash out here. Okay, so for 7 it is 1 because only one time it has been ticked. Okay, 8 has been ticked marked for 3 times, 9 for 6 times, 10 for 3 times and 11 for 1 time. Rest they are not appearing. Okay, so which has the maximum number of frequency, I mean in which value we can find the maximum number of ticks here. We can see from this analysis table that for the value 9, okay, this value 9 or the size 9, it has the maximum number of tick marks. Okay, that is 6. So the mode of this particular data is 9. So this way we will do prepare the grouping table as well as the analysis table. Okay, so this was for question number 5. Now moving towards this question number 6. Okay, it is same as it is. Okay, the way which we prepared this grouping table. Okay, it is same. Okay, so this column number 1 is a normal frequency. Okay, this column number 2, it is a sum total of first and second frequency. Okay, first and second frequency. Okay, now this column number 3 is the sum total of second and third frequency. Okay, the fourth one is the sum total of first, second and third frequency. Okay, and this column number 5, it is the sum total of second, third and fourth frequency. Okay, and the last one, that is column number 6, it is a combination of third, fourth and fifth. Okay, so this way we will prepare our frequency. Okay, I mean the grouping table for question number 6 also. Okay, only the data you can see here, it has been provided in the continuous series. Okay, whereas in question number 5, the data was a discrete data. Okay, only a normal frequency distribution. But in question number 6, we can see the data is a continuous series data. Okay, so column number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we prepare, be it a discrete series or a continuous series, we prepare the same way. Okay, this column number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, but when we have the continuous series data, okay, this kind of formula, it should be applied. Okay, we will apply it afterwards. Now in the analysis table, you can see here again, in column number 1 we have 250. Okay, so 250 belongs to which class? 40 and 45. So 40 and 45, do the tick mark out here. Okay, for this 370, it is a combination of 250 and 120. So 250 and 120 belongs to which class? 40 to 45 and 45 to 50. So this 40, 45, 45, 50. Okay, this column number 3, it is a combination of 180 and 250. So this 180 and 250, it belongs here. 35, 40, 40, 45. So 35, 40, 40, 45. Okay, and in this frequency, I mean the column number 4, we can see it is 550. So it is a combination, sorry, it is belonging to which class? It belongs to this class. Okay, 35, 40 and 45. So where is that? Okay, yes, this 35. Okay, 40 and 45. Okay, and in column number 5 we can see it is this one. Okay, 40, 45 and 50. So 40, 45 and 50. Okay, and this is the last one. Okay, so last column, column number 6. Okay, 80, 180 to 50 belonging to 30, 35 and 40. So 30, 35 and 40. So again we will do the total. So for total, you can see here this class. Okay, this particular class, it has got the maximum number of tick marks here. Okay, 6. Hence this is the model class. This is your model class. So when we have this continuous series data, we will apply the formula out here. Okay, so what is this formula? This mode is equals to, okay, mode equals to L1 plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into C. So what is this? So F1 is actually the frequency, I mean the normal frequency. Okay, this F1 is a normal frequency. Okay, L1 is the lower limit. Okay, so which class it has got the highest number of frequency? This class 40, 45. Okay, it has the maximum number of frequency. Okay, so L1 is your 40. Okay, L1 is 40 and F1 is the normal frequency. Okay, F0, now F0 is the preceding, F0 is the preceding frequency. Okay, 180. Okay, whatever is above that. Okay, and F2 is succeeding. Okay, whatever is after the normal frequency. Okay, so this is only the difference. Okay, we can see here F1 is a normal frequency. Okay, F0 is the preceding frequency and F2 is the succeeding frequency. Okay, now apply this formula. Okay, now put the values. Okay, when you will put the value, you will get this particular data, that is the value of mode 41.75 years. So this is how you will prepare grouping table and analysis table, okay, for both discrete and continuous series data. Okay, in discrete series data we will not apply the formula, okay, because there is no class limit out here. Okay, but in this continuous series data we will apply the formula. Okay, we will apply this particular formula, okay, because we have a class limit. You can see here the class limit is 2025. Okay, like this 5 is the class limit. Okay, but I must tell you that refer to the class limit or the class interval which is belonging out here. Okay, this 40 and 45. So find the class limit of this particular class only. Okay, 40 and 45. Because in some cases, what may happen is that the class limit of each uh, class may be different from one another. Okay, maybe it can be like this way. The class limit, it can be 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, and 40. Okay, the class interval or the class size may vary from one another. Okay, this is a simple question. That's why the class size of each and every single class is same here, that is 5, but sometimes the class size or the interval, it may vary from one another. So focus to that particular given class. Okay, and you will find the C is your class limit. Let me just write here, C is equals to 5. Okay, that is your class limit or the class size. Okay, so this is how we will prepare this particular question number 5 and question number 6. So if there is any question from your part, feel free to ask me now.